With the 26th pick in the 2020 NFL Draft, the Green Bay Packers select Jordan Love, quarterback, Utah State.
In the heart of the tundra under Lambeau's lights, a man named Jordan Love drafted to ignite the night. First season as a Packer, learning from a star, carrying the G, his journey had gone far. All we need is love. All we need is love. We need is love.
All we need
All we
is
need is
love.
love. We need is love.
Love is all we
is love. We need is love.
need.
Season 2, still the cruiser princess, stats were on the shelf. Learning curves, reserve nerves, refining his true self. Scanty snaps, gaps and caps, but potential's in the air. Biding time in his prime for the chance to take the chair. Season 3, could it be the Packer breakout year? Fewer plays, gains a place, a starting spot so near. Stats still shy, but the sky's the limit for this man. Back to ace in the race with the playbook and the plan.
All we need is love. All we need is love.
All we need is love.
All we need is love. Love, love is all we need.
All we need is love.
All we need is love. All we need is love.
is love.
All we need is love. Love, love is all we need.
is love. Then came the season when the torch was passed. Jordan took the field in the starting role at last. Through every trial and triumph, through every loss and win, he showed the world his courage, the strength that lies within. In the year 23, neath the Lambeau glow, Love took the reins, putting on a show. 4,000 yards plus through the air they flow. 32 touchdowns, he was running the show. A new deal signed, in the green he stayed, slinging with the might that'd make hay. 11 picks, just a small fray. QBR 62, leading the pack sleigh. Wisconsin's chill, couldn't ice his blade. 4,159 yards, making defenses pay. 96.1, standing tall in the fray. Postseason came, he seized the day. 37 throws, caught stats on display. 466 yards in the playoff ballet. 5 TDs to his name, no decay. Jordan Love, number 10, Green Bay's heart, no cliche. All we need is love. All we need is love. We need is love.
All we need is love. All we need is love.
is love.
All we need is love. Love, love is all we need.
is love.
All we need is love. All we need is love.
is love.
All we need is love. Love, love is all we need.
is love.
So here's to Jordan Love, a future MVP, carrying the G with the Sons of Lombardi on the world stage, on every social feed. In the end, it's clear, love's all we truly need.